Today I am going to show you Kal Jamun with a twist, made with sugar free, a diet Kal Jamun. The ingredients for Kal Jamun are khoa 100 grams, flour 15 grams, cardamom powder, raspberry color, sugar free, badam and pista for garnish. 100 grams of khoa, 15 grams of flour, pinch of cardamom powder, and little water in case your khoa is hard. Mix it well, don't over mix. Little raspberry color, this will go as filling. Little bit of cardamom powder. You can also use badi ilaichi for making it a little strong flavor. Raspberry color khoa. And then shape them into a cylinder. It should not be very hot. Now without touching, just move the oil and fry it till it becomes brown. So as the Kal Jamun till it gets fried is very fragile, turn the kadai so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. Fry it to the darker brown color, as the name is Kal Jamun. Can be a little over fried compared to gulab jamun. That's how it's supposed to be. Drain the excess oil and then soak them in sugar syrup immediately. Now that the Kal Jamun is soaked in sugar syrup for about 2-3 hours, preferably soak it for about overnight. Cut them into two, show the filling. Place them. Little bit of sugar syrup. Some honey for glaze. This can be avoided if it is given to diabetic patients. As the sugar syrup what we make with the sugar free is very thin, this also gives you the texture and the glaze. Some garnish now. A bit of pistachio. Kal Jamun with the sugar-free twist is ready for you.